Ever wonder how your favorite apps access your bank data? Ever used a budgeting app or a loan service that seemed to magically know your account balance and spending habits? Those financial tools rely on a hidden hero, account aggregation services like Flinks. But how exactly does Flinks work? More importantly, if you're considering using Flinks to build your own fintech app, how much is it going to cost? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Flinks, explore its pricing model, and uncover some alternatives you might want to consider. For those unfamiliar, Flinks is a financial data API. Think of it as a bridge between your bank account and the app you're using. Through Flinks, the app can securely request and receive your financial information, like transactions and account balances. This secure data exchange is what empowers all sorts of cool features. Budgeting apps can categorize your spending, loan providers can assess your creditworthiness in real time, and investment platforms can track your portfolio performance. It's pretty powerful stuff. Now, the question that probably brought you here: how much does Flinks cost? Unfortunately, Flinks doesn't publicly advertise their pricing structure. This is fairly common for B2B, business-to-business, companies like Flinks. Their pricing often depends on factors specific to your business needs, like the volume of transactions you expect or the level of support you require. However, based on what we've gathered from industry sources, Flinks likely offers two main pricing models. Quick Start pricing. This is a pay-as-you-go option, ideal for smaller businesses or those just starting out. You'll be charged a per API call fee, with a minimum monthly spend. Enterprise pricing. This is a volume-discounted plan for larger companies that anticipate a high number of API calls. Think of it as a bulk buy option. With enterprise plans, you'll also likely benefit from dedicated customer support. While we can't give you exact pricing without contacting Flinks directly, here are some things to consider when budgeting. Expected API call volume. How many times do you expect your app to interact with Flinks each month? This will be a major factor in determining your costs. Features needed. Do you require basic account aggregation or more advanced features like real-time transaction updates? More advanced features often come with a higher price tag. Support level. How much hand-holding do you need from Flinks? Dedicated support comes at a premium. Beyond Flinks, exploring alternatives. The good news is, Flinks isn't the only player in the account aggregation game. Here are a couple of alternatives to consider. Plaid, a popular choice in the US, Plaid offers a similar API-based solution. They do have a publicly available pricing structure, so you can get a good idea of costs up front. Yodlee, Investnet. Yodlee, another established player. Yodlee offers a comprehensive suite of financial data services, including account aggregation. Ultimately, the best choice for you will depend on your specific needs and budget. Don't hesitate to reach out to Flinks and their competitors for tailored quotes. Remember, when evaluating pricing, consider not just the headline cost, but also factors like ease of integration, customer support, and available features. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.